Hey everyone! Welcome back to our channel where we explore the secrets to living your best life. Today, we're diving into a fascinating topic, the secret to attracting people. Whether it's for friendships, relationships, or professional connections, these tips will help you become a magnet for positive interactions. Let's get started. Number 1. Be authentic. First and foremost, be authentic. People are naturally drawn to those who are genuine and true to themselves. Authenticity builds trust and makes others feel comfortable around you. Embrace your unique qualities and don't be afraid to show the real you. Number 2. Listen actively. Next, practice active listening. Pay close attention to what others are saying and show genuine interest. Nod, make eye contact, and ask follow-up questions. This makes people feel valued and understood, which is incredibly attractive. Number 3. Smile and use positive body language. A smile goes a long way. Smiling and using positive body language can make you more approachable and inviting. Keep your posture open, maintain eye contact, and use gestures that show you're engaged and interested in the conversation. Number 4. Be kind and empathetic. Kindness and empathy are powerful attractors. Treat others with respect, show compassion, and be supportive. When people feel that you genuinely care about them, they're naturally drawn to your positive energy. Number 5. Confidence without arrogance. Confidence is attractive, but there's a fine line between confidence and arrogance. Believe in yourself and your abilities, but remain humble and open to others' ideas and opinions. True confidence is about being comfortable in your own skin and making others feel comfortable too. Conclusion. To sum it up, attracting people is all about being authentic, listening actively, using positive body language, showing kindness and empathy, and exuding confidence without arrogance. By incorporating these habits into your daily life, you'll naturally draw people towards you and build meaningful connections. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more content on healthy life and personal growth. Thanks for watching, and see you next time on our channel. Don't forget to check out our other videos and follow us on social media for more tips and insights. Until next time, take care.